When the inspection costs nothing, the repair quote is often where the bill comes in. At Omni Eye, we don't perform pipe repairs, which means we have zero financial incentive to sell you work you don't need. Our expert technicians have years of experience, and that means knowing the difference between a harmless visual quirk and an urgent, costly hazard. Enjoy a stress-free inspection where no one is trying to close a $10,000 repair deal on your doorstep. After the inspection is completed, you don't just get a silent clip. You get a fully narrated step-by-step video explaining exact conditions and actionable next steps. Share it directly with repair contractors for accurate bids, or pass it along to potential buyers as proof of home care. If a fix is needed, our video pinpoints the exact spot, saving thousands by preventing unnecessary excavation. If you're buying or selling a home, every dollar counts. Spend them with the confidence that you're getting an honest assessment. Call Omni Eye today